Part 1. Introducing building element.
To allow passage between interior and exterior spaces, a door needs to be installed and implemented. In some doors, a threshold is implemented to prevent moisture from escaping, insects from passing through, or noise and air exchange.
Part 2. Implementing details.
After the strip foundation, columns, and finally the beams and slab are implemented, the building skeleton is completed. Flooring and ground details can include compacted soil, lime sand mixture, compacted gravel, low cement concrete, and concrete slab with a minimum thickness of 10 centimeters. Executing wall begins with the implementation of a bricks with cement sand mortar. The inner surface of the wall can be a plaster coating consisting of a layer of gypsum and soil, white gypsum lining, and finishing.
To implement a door threshold, first two angle profiles are placed in the floor according to the size of the door frame. And the door frame is installed between two walls and fixed in place. The walls are not shown here. Then, a cement sand mortar is applied to the floor to the appropriate thickness. The floor covering, which is stone tiles here, is applied to the mortar, and the stone threshold of the door is placed on the L profile and mortar. The total height of the threshold of the door is about 28 mm compared to the final floor covering. The outer edges of the stone are rounded to a radius of 2 cm. After applying the cement grout between the flooring stone tiles, the gaps between the stone and the threshold of the door, about 10 mm, as well as the gap between the stone threshold and the door frame, are filled with sealant. Part 3. Constituent materials. Part 4. Reference.